guys, so I have exciting news for you. We've been building thousands of exercises on Domino. We have another platform which is called Practice at Domino, and it's going to be so exciting. We're going to share this with all of you very shortly. I just wanted to mention that to you. Now, even a bigger update is that for the last 1 or even up to 2 years, I've been recording content. I love doing it, and it also helps you optimize learning Chinese. So, course 5, 6, 7 and 8 are all new actually. Well, course 8, if you've heard of it, it's Anne's course, which was previously like level, this is the old system, so you don't need to be aware of it, but level 20, 21, 22, 23. Those have all been moved down now, and we've added plenty of courses in the middle there. Now, actually, before we used to have an advanced path, but that's actually gone now. It's not gone, it'll be gone by the end of the year. So if you want to study those videos, well, hurry up then. But don't worry, we won't delete all the content at all. We've actually kept the good content, the best content from there, and put them into this new course now. So if you've been on the website for the last, 6 months or up to 1 year, we've had course 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay? Now, from today and counting onwards for eternity, we will have course 5, 6, 7 and 8 as well. Each course corresponds to a classroom course as well, because we teach course-wise during our teacher classroom courses. So that's why we've made that decision there as well, and that distinction between each course. So there's 8 courses in total. If you study this with a teacher, it'll take you 3 months in the normal pace. There's slower paces as well if you don't want to commit your whole life to learning Chinese. Lovely. So that's it basically. You can go to our course page and you can check them out. We have lovely little descriptions about them. We have also told you exactly by which point you will pass HSK. And you might ask us, why is it not the new HSK? Don't worry, we're aware of the new HSK. However, the old or the current HSK is just fine for now, and a few years to go as well. And when you get the certificate, it'll be valid for another 5 years as well if you pass it. So don't worry about the new HSK for now. However, when the time gets there, we will just do a few tweaks, and there we will have HSK, all the new levels as well. Thank you for watching, and that was a very exciting little video. Imagine all the hours that I've spent working on this, probably 10 hours every day for about 2 years, and that has amounted up to this video. So I'm so incredibly excited to be sharing this one with you. Thank you for watching.